Hello friends, I welcome all of you to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. This video is going to be very entertaining and very fun loving because I'm going to talk about a drama, a Chinese drama especially, which will be very helpful for you to improve your English. So tell me guys, do you love watching Chinese dramas? Or some of you might be watching just for fun, some of you might be watching for learning English, right? The one that I'm going to talk about is very special. Now tell me one thing, do you guys love watching people from aviation industry? Do you like seeing people who are pilots, who are air stewardess, who are
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
who are related to flights, aviation industry? Do you like watching these people from these industry? And how about the weather today? Do you think the weather behind me looks very nice? Isn't it really very beautiful to fly a plane? So you all must be wondering, right? Why am I talking about all these planes, flights, aviation, everything, right? So the one Chinese drama that I'm going to talk about here in this video is about aviation industry. People and the characters are all related to this industry, and the whole story revolves around this industry and work and everything. The name of this Chinese drama is Flight to You. You can simply find it on YouTube. It is available for free, so you don't even have to spend a single penny for spending or taking a subscription of any other app to just watch these Chinese dramas. Okay, so you can simply find this on the YouTube search bar and you will see its English dubbed version on your screen.
यही नहीं, अभी और सुनिए.
Now I want to talk about what makes it special, what makes it different from other dramas. Okay, and first and very important thing is the kind of spoken English you would learn from this drama will be very special and will be like professionals. At many workplaces we need to use we need to maintain our decorum. We need to speak English like professional. With everyone we need to speak politely, right? We cannot be rude to others or be impolite to others. So you are definitely going to learn all these ideas, all these decorum etiquette from watching this drama. At workplaces we just don't simply have seniors, we also have juniors, right? So it is all about how we talk with them, what kind of behavior we maintain with them, right? The next important thing you will learn from watching this drama is endurance, because at workplaces we have to face different kind of scenario, we have to face different kind of crisis, right? In any crisis we are supposed to do only one thing, which is always remain calm, which is remain composed, right? So we have to stay composed, we have to remain calm, and we have to handle a situation. So you would also learn how to stay calm, how to stay composed by watching this Chinese drama. Once you see this drama, you will see that there are many crises coming and eventually turning into a very bad situation, but you will also see how people here react to all this situation, how people try to control, how to get everything in their control very calmly, very politely. So guys, if you are serious about learning English and if you love watching these Chinese dramas and moreover you also appreciate and cherish all these dramas just for learning English and as well as entertainment, so this Chinese drama is definitely for you, because what you will learn from here, from watching this drama, you won't simply get by watching some other dramas, because this is really very special and this is different from other Chinese drama or other dramas too. You must check out this Chinese drama once on YouTube. If you have already watched this, so I want to know guys from all of you that what's the name of the female character, the main female character of this drama. You are going to learn a lot from this drama, just not conversational English, but vocabulary, idiom, phrasal verb, everything you are going to learn. It is a combo of everything, so you would definitely cherish it, you will definitely love this Chinese drama, and I'm sure that you wouldn't have watched this kind of drama earlier. You can simply follow shadowing method when you're watching this drama. I have talked about shadowing method in my previous video, so you can check out that video so that you know how to practice shadowing method while watching anything on YouTube, not just drama, not just any simply video, but you would definitely learn. I hope guys you would check out this Chinese drama after watching this video, or else you may regret. And thank you for watching this video today. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.
खत्म.